Vaishnavi Maliye. I am from Bangalore and I completed my graduation last year. I am working as a project associate in a small business. So I joined this program as I have a family business background and my brother is studying in this college, and I wanted to explore this and know more about the program because in future I want to do something of my own. That has been my mindset since the beginning. So I am generally an introverted person. So when I joined this program, I met so many people and it was hard for me at an early stage or something, but after one point I started talking to everyone. I saw some self-growth in me and I explored so many ideas in this month, and it has really helped me in my self-growth journey. And that doesn't mean I've become an extroverted person, but also I have met people, understood people, and yeah, this has helped me in my self-growth journey.